G'day guys, Ninja and Jace. If you're new to the channel, you haven't seen us before, I'm Ninja, 26 years, devoted body worker, that's me. Just been hard at it, trying to fix people for all that time. So if you want to do courses, because you like this video ahead, have a look at the links below and you can join in with Aaron and myself and Jace, the body.
Yeah, that's it, I don't talk.
He's in it as well. So so we have got courses, you can learn, you can aim to be the best, because that's what I have done throughout my whole career. So yeah, tune in. So we're going to do a foot treatment today.
Foot?
So, bottom of the foot.
Okay.
So take your shirt off, mate.
You reckon?
Yeah, get your shirt off. We're going to do your foot.
All right.
Yeah. Thanks, mate.
Wouldn't be an MMT video without.
Well, it's connected.
The body is all connected. You'll learn this if you jump on the practitioner course.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my colouring book here. So I love my colouring book. So we're going to do the plantar fascia, but you can kind of see this blue one here. Tibialis posterior.
Oh,
I'm a anatomy genius.
right on.
Say it. Anatomy genius.
Right on cue.
Self-proclaimed anatomy genius. So we're going to look at some deep muscles in here. So we're going to not just do the bottom of the foot. We're going to work in the calf as well. Some deep calf muscles, the money spots we call them, that can affect other places in the body.
Let's do it.
So jump on.
All right. Can't wait for this.
Hopefully got a bit of space, bit of Kevin, Kevin Spacey. You like that one, Jace?
That's all right.
That's
not
all right.
one of your best
We've used
ones,
it before, but it doesn't matter. And if you like our jokes, you might want to look at our Patreon. Get to know us even more.
You crack plenty of jokes on there, don't you?
Plenty of jokes.
Oh.
And we do lots of cool challenges but yeah, just body work.
They'll find out a bit more about you, won't they, Ninj?
Yeah, well, there's a bit to know.
bit of mystery behind the man.
Yeah. Everyone's there's a book about everybody on the planet, isn't there? Just we don't get time to read it. That's all.
Oh.
So I'm just going to warm up the calf, the baby cow.
She's warm. She's
holding a fair few answers in this calf, I reckon. This bloody bad plantar fascia you got here, Jace. I don't know, can we fix it? So I'm just going to work along there, along the outside. A lot of times we have stress through this outside because we land on the outside of our foot and there's a jarring up through there. The inside doesn't seem to cop as many problems, but sometimes it does, and I've actually strained recently the inside of my calf. So that's been a little interesting adventure. And from shit, flowers grow, we say. So every tragedy, we make something out of it. We come back from it. These injuries, these pains, these ruptures, or whatever it is that happens in our body, we try to fix it in a holistic kind of way. So just not looking at the physical mechanisms of it, the cleaning and then the building, but also some of the metaphysics as well. So sometimes our body, the universe is trying to give us a message about what's going on in our life, what we're blind to, what we're not addressing on a conceptual level, or, relationship, career level. So it gives us little messages, and whether we tune into it or not is another thing. So you've got a lot better chance of getting things right if you do have a holistic kind of approach. So just warming this tissue up, getting right into there, and it's a screening process as well, our warm-up. So not a second in our treatment is wasted. Everything counts. It goes towards the healing of the person. So that's where I want to be. I want to be so engaged that not even a skerrick of time is not going towards clearing out the blocks and helping the person be able to heal themselves. And that's the operative thing too. We never heal anybody. As a practitioner, we haven't healed. No one has ever healed a single person. We've just done some plumbing work, and then the body has healed itself.
Just a plumber, aren't you, Ninj?
We're just bloody plumbers. We're just
Mario Luigi.
We're just a bit of a catalyst, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just assisting.
Yeah. The Mario brothers, were they plumbers?
Yeah.
Really?
You didn't
I
know
didn't know that.
Mate, go and watch the Super Mario movie.
No, geez, I better go and have a look. We were.
Surely you knew they were plumbers.
Nah.
Why do you think they're dressed in overalls and plumbing gear?
Oh, I don't know.
Come on, Ninja. You got kids.
I used to have this game, Mario Cement Factory. It was just on
What was that?
just a little box thing.
Yeah.
With a little
What do you have to
joystick.
do?
Empty out the cement into the cement truck when it was full before another one come along. And,
Right.
yeah, it was a pretty cool game. But you're jumping around all the platforms. You have to go up lifts and stuff like that. And,
Oh, yeah. Were you good?
oh, yeah, I was good.
Yeah.
This is talking about 35 years ago. Yeah, I was really good. Haven't played since.
Yeah, that might be our next Patreon challenge. Who can do the best cement challenge? Yeah, video games.
Yeah. So where I'm getting into now, I'm pushing right through into that tibialis posterior. So I'm pushing through those layers of muscles, pushing through the soleus and pushing into there like that.
Shit.
So we identify this one as one of our money spots in the body because it is a crossover point. So there's lots of layers here, and if there's an adhesive kind of thing going on in here, we can help to unglue that so the muscles can slide through properly. The messages can go through the nervous system. And the blood can get through. The shit that's been trapped in here can get out from the scarring and things like that. So pushing into there. I might do a little bit through side your Achilles here. These muscles that are feeding down into your feet through this section here. Getting into the muscles. And I know I'm talking through this whole thing, but when you're not just chatting, sharing stories and stuff, you want to be getting feedback because they can give you such great intel into what's going on with their body. They kind of know when you're onto something that, like he's referring down into their foot, perhaps where that pain is. And you can unearth things. So things that you don't even know are there, you're unconscious to it, you can unearth it and reveal exactly a source of the suffering. So that's what we're about doing. We're trying to unearth things so that things can heal where they've been stuck. It's been a bit of a stalemate and we can fix things up. How's it feeling there, Jace?
That's all right, actually. Not too bad. It was definitely more up in that calf money spot. Had a lot in it, but not too bad through there.
I might check through here.
Oh.
So in there's got a little bit more.
Yeah. For the people that might be suffering plantar fasciitis out there, Ninja, what do you... and they might have seen other practitioners like that maybe haven't touched their feet or have said, just go and put orthotics on. What do you normally advise on those previous advice they might have been given?
Well, we've got a different angle we take. Our bias is towards getting the feet to be functional on their own accord, not needing supports and props for long extended periods of time. So we want to encourage pure biomechanics. We're big on bare feet. There is a certain percentage of people that can't have bare feet, but maybe that 90% of people, they should be really trying to work towards being able to balance in bare feet and do their weights and different things like that and walk in bare feet. So they're getting pure biomechanics, pure feedback from the feet because there's so many nerve endings in the feet, particularly to the big toe. So if you're taking your big toe out of the equation because you're in shoes and like the toes are pointing up because a lot of shoes are actually going up in the air. Our toe should be planted on the ground. Our foot should be like that. It should be on the ground. It should be able to spread. So a lot of shoes are like this, making our feet like that. And we're on pitched heels, so you can kind of think about, even if you just think about that just for a moment, that's not the normal engineering the natural engineering that our human body was designed to kind of go through. So we're just trying to get people back to pure biomechanics, but it starts with the cleaning. So we have a clean first, build second, live free. So we don't want to be dependent on the props, the supports, dependent on the practitioners necessarily. We want to be able to help people be able to do their own cleaning a little bit, come to us when they need a bigger service type of thing. but do a little bit of maintenance on themselves and then be able to do the exercise for life that will keep them, strong and mobile as well. Be able to get up off the ground, be able to climb on things, be able to sprint, be able to live, be able to do things in the garden, play with your kids, all that kind of stuff that you want to do with your life. Life's not much fun when you're on the bloody sidelines, is it?
No, that's right.
It's life to be living. Yeah. So we want everybody to be out there being vital. That's one of my words. Vital is the opposite of depression. When you're depressed, you don't want to be out there in the world. You don't want to be engaging. You don't want to. You're not up and about. You're not on a project. You're not having on your mission type of thing. But when your body's good, you're healthy, you're vital, got lots of energy. You just want to help people out. You just want to go on your mission and fill all your buckets, really. But yeah, so the opposite is depression. So there's no buckets to be filled when you're depressed. You just you want to get out of it. So I'm just working on that, where that plantar fascia attaches on here. So it might just very well be the plantar fascia that is really adhesive and solid and things like that. So we check that out.
But it might not only be the plantar fascia, isn't that right, Ninj?
Correct.
How many layers of muscle and tissue are in the foot?
It's like having a shoe on there.
Yeah, isn't it?
Is
it 4 or 5?
4 or 5 layers, yeah. And you've got the real deep muscles in between the bones as well. So we can actually get to them as well if they're, the foot's been squeezed like that. Those muscles have been inactive. So you want to get in and open them up, spread it out. But that little crow's claw that's in the foot here, that might be the one from the tibialis tib post in around here. So this, you're pushing through that plantar fascia, try and get into that bone level and try and get in to where that cluster of tendons is attaching on the bone in here. And that might be the thing that's just really stuck. And we've kind of worked on the other end of it as well. So we're going to find where that issue is by being thorough. So the body can't lie, nature can't lie. If there's pain or a therapeutic sensation, that's what we're aiming to get. If there's a therapeutic sensation, it's sort of saying that the body is not functioning so well, it's not performing as well as it could be, it's not optimal. So we can help to unglue it, melt it down, all these different words. We can help it to flow again so that it can heal. So it's a matter of finding the right spots, very important. But number 2 is engaging with those spots in the right manner. And that's what we really focus on in our mentorship, our Bodywork Bible. It's beyond bodywork. That's our phrase that we're running with at the moment. So it's not just about applying the techniques, it's being able to access these areas and knowing how to approach people and approach the body and to kind of gain access to these spots that are, kind of sacred to people, their pain, their suffering. That is an art to that as well. And that's one of the big things we try and teach and get you to practice so that you can help more people. How's that feel there, Jason?
It's pretty sore there. Yeah. A good level of sore, but yeah, I think if you keep tracing that down towards my big toe, I reckon you're on a good line there.
Yep. So that's awesome intel. And some practitioners think you're not allowed to get that kind of feedback from people.
No, just do it all yourself, Ninj.
It's crazy. It's crazy because when you're getting good body work, you can feel, you can sense, sense things coming up. You just know. We've said it many times. It's a language. We've got to communicate with each other so we understand. So I've got to do that manual therapy. It's got to be in a manner that the person can receive and accept and give permission to go in, and then we can go in and clear out the blocks. So I can just feel there, man.
Yeah, there's a little bit there.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going. All right, we're going to go through. Right through to where that touches in there.
Ooh.
And being barefoot, I know we're going to cop some comments. You know, we always cop comments on our feet. But,
How are they today? I reckon they're pretty clean, aren't they?
yeah, we're pretty relatively clean, yeah. But it's sort of like we believe in barefoot, and we go to the shops and we
Go to the cafe.
We go to the cafe in bare feet because we just want to have as much time, earthing out, but pure biomechanics as possible. We're in our barefoot shoes. So, yeah, there's a really small percentage of time in all the blokes here's life where we're wearing pitch shoes and arch supports and things like that. It's mainly just, maybe for you, Jason, probably just when you're playing footy.
Just when I'm playing footy, or if there's a particular function where you have to be a bit more dressed up, you might have to wear, some dress shoes, but so uncomfortable when I do have to put them on, so try to minimise how often I wear them.
You have to get you onto my ones that I found.
I've got a few pairs of dress ones.
Oh, the barefoot
the
dress
Vivos,
ones?
Yeah. Just still sometimes I don't quite
scrub up enough.
Yeah, not quite.
Not quite as polished. But there's if it's semi-casual
I get
or whatever, you know what I mean?
then.
Semi-formal, I mean. Yeah,
semi-casual. Semi-casual, I'm rocking up like this, I reckon.
do you go to weddings with your shirt off?
Yeah. Unless they stipulate it's
Well, you got to come in your best attire.
That's it.
For you, it's your shirt off.
Birthday suit.
That's it.
When it says dress your best, well...
Yeah, mate. You got to stay in your lane, haven't you?
That's right.
Know your strengths.
That's it. Play your role.
Play your role. Run your own race. Yeah. So just across here a bit. It's where kind of knowing your anatomy comes in good too, like all these different little places in your body.
It's important, isn't it, in knowing the anatomy?
Yeah, trace it back. I'm still learning, I'll admit it. I reckon I fixed so many people just on pure exuberance in the past. Like, it's just so keen. I was just so wishing they, I just find the spots and I just, just because I was just so keen, devoted to working things out. But you can speed up the process perhaps and use a bit more tact and science and things like that. Bit of an ant. Look at that there. Riveting.
What is it?
What's the bloody ant doing on me?
Oh.
Anyway,
Anyway,
so this is what we do. So we just fix people, don't we, Jason? You're laughing at me today. And we take our shirts off a lot.
Coach people.
And we coach.
Yeah, if
And we drink cocoa.
If you're a practitioner, you can come and learn from Ninj. It'll be a lot sharper than it is right now.
Need to get some cocoa.
Yeah, get it into you.
Some mushroom.
Get the brain going.
Darcy's Vitality mushrooms.
What are the mushrooms, Ninj?
Reishi's the main one. My daughter's name is Reishi. So, Reishi's the queen of mushrooms. Vitality, longevity is that one. But it doesn't just mean for girls. It's for us as well. And Chaga, the main one for the masculine. Yeah, so awesome. Yeah, and there's 12 blends.
12 in there.
Here. So 12 of the best mushrooms on the planet in one mix. So put them in with your cocoa, your maca, your coconut oil, raw honey.
Or in a tea.
Yeah.
There you go, hot
Get it
water,
done.
bit of honey.
Done.
Yeah.
Thanks guys, see you next time.
Done.